on?
Rico pooped on the carpet / wall, and we don't know what to do at all.
Yeah, what kind of poop is it? It's the grossest poop I've ever seen in my life.
It's diarrhea / chunks in it. And
Should we show them the plate?
Yeah, sure.
We try to... I can't get very close to it. You should throw up. It's like liquid shit.
And, yeah, I don't know how she got it out, but she got it out just like that. She was just like...
Wait. Go further away from the camera and you can show. She was just walking by the wall and then she just did that?
Yes.
Okay, so now our dilemma is we're trying to actually clean this and we don't know how?
Yes, now we don't know how to clean it, so...
First of all, what do we have in the bucket?
We have vinegar, water, spray 9.
And we don't know if that's going to work because we don't even know if it's actually what we're supposed to be do. And we don't know how to use that. And Jory's going to get $40 for cleaning it. Why? Why do you need to clean it and I can't?
Because he will puke. He literally almost puked. His eyes are watering, his face is red, practically green.
Okay. Okay, so Jory, what do we got to do? We got to bring the bucket over there.
Over there and...
Scrub clean. Till we get the most of this grossness off. Then we're going to find out how to use this. Maybe we'll have to use the internet. And then when we can use this, we'll just...
And then if it doesn't come out, we'll leave it till Mom comes.
No, we can't do that.
I know.
We'll have to hire somebody to come and clean it. Alright, cover your nose. You ready for this? Scrub, boy, scrub. Good, fast. Faster and faster we can get out of here.
Oh, there's corn in it. Oh.
On the wall. Get the wall. Baseboard, get the baseboard. Scrub the cord.
Huh?
The cord. Scrub the cord.
Oh. It ain't coming out.
That's pretty good. Get it wet again, soak it up. Make sure you get those other spots over there.
Oh, stinks.
It still stinks?
Yeah.
Doesn't smell like poison? I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you with the smell. Okay, step back.
If it's gonna make you puke, don't do it.
Move your thing. Yeah. This sucks.
Done.
Put it in a bucket. Alright.
We need special needs.
You know what? We're gonna buy your mom some new gloves because those ones are not gonna be good anymore. Okay. Hurry. Okay, open the door. Open the door. I need to throw this outside. That's the worst day ever. Okay. We need to learn how to use this.
I remember how.
Where's the you're supposed to use chemicals for it?
Hot water.
Just hot water, that's it?
That's it.
No cleaners?
No.
Well, then we gotta get some more cleaner on the floor. I mean, that's just not right.
You just pour hot water into this thing right here.
I thought you were supposed to soap the water, like clean the floor first with this cleaner stuff. We'll figure this out. Okay, say goodbye. That was disgusting.